Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is use. Here is a picture of someone using a phone. Here is use in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Use means take or hold as a means of accomplishing or achieving something. Use. Past progressive was using, past, used. Present progressive, using, present, use. Future, will use. Let's build a sentence. They will use. Today, we will use the future tense. Let's build a sentence. They will use, what? What will they use? They will use tools. Let's build a sentence. They will use tools. Where? Where will they use tools? They will use tools in the laboratory. Let's build a sentence. They will use tools in the laboratory. Why? Why will they use tools? They will use tools in the laboratory to build. Let's build a sentence. They will use tools in the laboratory to build what? What will they build? They will build a robot. Let's build a sentence. They will use tools in the laboratory to build a robot. Why? Why will they build a robot? To make pancakes. See how we built a sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the questions words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.